चलिए शुरू करते हैं। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको आईटी के क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करूंगी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है कंप्यूटर इज़ एंड करेक्ट आंसर इज़ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 द वर्ड कंप्यूटर हैज़ बीन डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग लैंग्वेज करेक्ट आंसर इज़ 4 लैटिन। IC is made up of correct answer is transistors. Speed of first generation computer was in correct answer is microseconds. Time sharing become possible in dash generation of computer. Time sharing become possible in second generation of computer. Computer cannot perform three thinking. Computer system consists of all of the above: internal devices, peripheral devices and softwares. Which of the following is known as father of computer? Father of computer हमारे बोले जाते हैं चार्ल्स बैबेज को. Which of the following is known as father of modern computer? Father of modern computer है हमारे एलन टर्निंग. फर्स्ट जनरेशन कंप्यूटर्स यूज्ड डैश लैंग्वेज. फर्स्ट जनरेशन कंप्यूटर हमारी मशीन लैंग्वेज को यूज़ करती है. Which of the following refers to the fastest, biggest and most expensive computer? Fastest, biggest and most expensive computers हमारे होते हैं super computers. Computer size was very large in first generation. In first generation we use vacuum tubes which are very large in size. In second generation we use transistor. In third generation we have used IC, integrated circuits, and in fourth generation we have used very large scale integration technology. Fourth generation computer was based on we have just discussed vacuum tubes. The earlier calculating device was discussed with the name of the device was abacus. Which language is directly understood by the computer without translating program? Because without translation program. Correct answer is machine language. Computer built before the first generation computer was electromechanical computer. Abacus can perform both subtraction and addition. Option number 4 is correct. Pascaline is also known as adding machine. Who developed integrated circuit? Integrated circuit was developed by J.S. Kelby. Speed of third generation computer is nanosecond 10⁻⁹. Artificial intelligence is an example of fifth generation computer. First supercomputer of the world is CRAY, Cray 1. A dash is a microprocessor based computer system. 23 का आंसर है हमारा पर्सनल कंप्यूटर. फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर ऑफ इंडिया इज़ 24th का आंसर है हमारा सिद्धार्थ. चूज़ द ऑड वन आउट. माइक्रो कंप्यूटर, मिनी कंप्यूटर, सुपर कंप्यूटर, डिजिटल कंप्यूटर एंड नोटबुक कंप्यूटर. So micro, mini, super and notebook are of the same category. Digital computer is of the different category. So option number 4 is correct. Which of the following option correctly express the meaning of the term PS? PS stands for personal computers. So option number 2, personal computers widely available to individuals working with which they can access information from layer systems and increase their personal productivity. Next question, which of the following is the smallest and fastest computer imitating brain working? The correct answer is quantum computer. Benefits of computer are very fast and can store huge amount of data. Name of first general purpose electronic computer. Question number 29. Correct answer is UNIVK, UNIVAC. The chip used in computer is made up of silicon. Option number 4 is correct. A desktop computer is also known as option number 2 PC, personal computer. A personal computer is designed to meet the computing needs of an individual. Question number 32 का correct answer है A, individual. A dash is a large and expensive computer capable of performing scientific and business application. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर 1 सुपर कंप्यूटर. इसमें हम साइंटिफिक एंड बिजनेस एप्लीकेशंस को परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. लार्ज एंड एक्सपेंसिव कंप्यूटर भी इसे बोला जाता है, माना जाता है. द फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज डेवलप्ड was Fortran. Fortran was the first computer language which was developed, and this question came many times in the exams, in previous exams. Next है हमारा, a hybrid computer is the one having the combined properties of correct answer is analog and digital computer. Option number 3. Which of the following uses handheld operating system? Handheld operating system is, correct answer is 5 PDA. Correct answer is 5 PDA. Analytical engine was developed by Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage was also the father of computer. A computer also known as server computer is, सर्वर कंप्यूटर को कौन से कंप्यूटर को बोला जाता है? ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज़ करेक्ट, मिनी कंप्यूटर्स को. द यूज़र जनरली अप्लाइड टू एक्सेस मेन फ्रेम और सुपर कंप्यूटर इज, करेक्ट आंसर इज टर्मिनल. द यूज़र जनरली अप्लाइज टर्मिनल टू एक्सेस मेन फ्रेम एंड सुपर कंप्यूटर. माइक्रो कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर कंसिस्ट ऑफ 3 बेसिक कैटेगरी ऑफ फिजिकल इक्विपमेंट. करेक्ट आंसर इज 2 system unit, input output unit and memory. Table PC is a type of, correct answer is microcomputer. Which of the following is the fastest type of computer? Fastest type of computer is, correct answer is 5 supercomputer. Analog computers works on the supply of, correct answer is continuous electrical pulses. Laptops are, correct answer is portable, lightweight and fit into briefcases. Option number 2 is correct. The first computer which provides storage is, first computer जिसने storage provide किया था, correct answer is EDSAC, EDSAC. Option number 1. A typical modern computer uses, correct answer is option number 1, LSI chips. The period of the second generation computer was, correct answer is option number 3, 1956 to 63. ENIAC was 48 का करेक्ट आंसर है हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 3, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिजिटल कंप्यूटर. 49. टामटॉप कंप्यूटर इज ऑल्सो नॉन एज, ऑप्शन नंबर 4 इज़ करेक्ट, हैंड हेल्ड कंप्यूटर. डैश इज़ नॉट अ माइक्रो कंप्यूटर. इसमें से कौन सा माइक्रो कंप्यूटर नहीं है? ऑप्शन नंबर 5, मेन फ्रेम कंप्यूटर हमारा माइक्रो कंप्यूटर नहीं है. जनरल पर्पस कंप्यूटर आर यूज्ड फॉर, 51 का करेक्ट आंसर है हमारा ऑल ऑफ द अबव. क्रिएटिंग अ स्मॉल database, परफॉर्म कैलकुलेशन एंड अकाउंटिंग. ऑल ऑफ द अबव आर द करेक्ट आंसर्स. Question number 52, which is not the example of simple special purpose computer. 52 का करेक्ट आंसर है हमारे पास ऑप्शन नंबर 2, वर्ड प्रोसेसर. डैश इज़ नॉट एन ई-कॉमर्स एप्लीकेशन. 53 का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर 4, evaluating an employee. Computer's basic architecture was developed by John von Neumann. Option number 1 is correct. In producing the IC chip of computer, what is needed in the following? IC chip को बनाने के लिए क्या ज़रूरी होता है? सिलिकॉन. First supercomputer developed in India was परम. ये सवाल बहुत बार पूछा गया है पिछले क्वेश्चंस में, पिछले एग्ज़ाम्स में. Computers that are portable and convenient to use for users who travel are known as laptops. 57 का आंसर है 4 laptops. They are portable, they can easily fit in our briefcases or wallet, purses. Which was first electronic computer constructed at the Morris School of Engineering? First electronic computer was EDVEC. Which of the following is generally costly? 59 का आंसर है server is costly. Desktop and personal computer are also known as 5 microcomputer. अभी इस वीडियो में मैंने आपको 60 क्वेश्चंस बताए हैं फटाफट. अभी मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको कुछ क्वेश्चंस को पकड़ के इन्हें थॉरली आपको एक्सप्लेन करूँगी और इनसे रिलेटेड फर्दर कोई और क्वेश्चंस को एक्सप्लेन करूँगी. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए. थैंक यू.